Capri Tools just sent me this really nice impact extension socket set. Let's open it up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Capri Tools reached out and asked me if I'd be willing to take a look at their 12-piece 3/8 drive pinless universal long impact extension socket set. Now the part number on this is CP53325-12MXLMT. Now there's a few differences with this set than some of the others that are on the market or that are similar in the sense that they're the long universal extension impact sockets. But for example, when they say long, they mean it. These are 12 inches long. Some of the other brands are 8-inch or 9-inch or even 9.5, but every one of these is 12 inches long. That's going to give you a lot more reach. For example, if you're working underneath a lift and you're doing a transmission pan or something up a little bit higher, you need that extra reach, or help you get a little bit deeper into a wheel well if you're taking something off there as well. But these are super handy and it just makes most jobs go so much quicker. Now these all have a pinless joint design. It's a ball and socket design. The working angle, it says, is 30 degrees and it is a pretty smooth 360-degree rotation. This ball and socket design looks like it's held in place by a little C-clip that's in there, but they feel really smooth and everything seems like it's going to work out just fine. Now these have what they call the WaveDrive design. The 6-point WaveDrive design is designed to grip fasteners better. Basically, it pushes on more of the flat rather than the corner of the fastener and prevents rounding. Now each one of these has a knurled non-slip grip or a textured surface, and I'll tell you, I haven't seen that on any of the other impact universal long extension sockets like this. This is the only one I've seen with the knurling. It's also the only one that I've seen in the 12-inch length, but I like that knurling or that non-slip grip because, you know, if you're underneath a vehicle that's really dirty or oily or greasy, it's nice to still be able to have some good control on the tool. Now these are all laser etched and they're also stamped, and so you can see right there it's stamped 14, but the laser etching on here, it feels pretty good. You can almost feel the texture even of the laser etching. I think these are going to work great. Let's take a look with the impact here. This is just my smaller 3/8 drive impact that I use quite a bit. And then this one's got a little bit more power, the 2960 from Milwaukee. Seems pretty well balanced even with the universal. Now the nice thing is these are not sloppy or loose. It's actually pretty stiff, so that's not going to flop around on you. Now the way that the ball is engaged in the socket, there are corners, and so you do kind of feel that, but it's smooth enough to where you can use an impact and it's not going to bind up on you. Now these do feel really solid and they are made of premium Chrome Moly steel, which is, it says that they're tempered with a proprietary heat treatment design or process to withstand the high torque of power tools. I mean, we are putting out quite a bit of power with this mid torque here, even in the 3/8 drive, so I'm pretty confident though that these are not going to have any issues. They're pretty heavy duty. I don't feel any flex at all. Let's take a quick measurement here on the shaft just to give you an idea. Yeah, 12.5 millimeters is the diameter of that shaft. Now, just to give you a comparison, this is not an impact socket, but it is an impact extension, and the diameter on this is 11.9 on the shaft here, so it is a little bit thicker on these ones here from Capri. Now, you notice the sheen here on the Capri tool compared to just this regular impact extension. This has a little bit of a sheen because this is what they call a manganese phosphate coating. That is a preferred coating in military and aerospace applications, but it is primarily designed for corrosion resistance, or it protects the tool compared to just this one here. It's just a traditional black oxide coating, and that's of course how most impact sockets and extensions will look. I actually like the way that this feels compared to this one. This one's a little bit more chalky feeling. I like that this one's just nice and smooth, similar to how a chrome extension or tool would feel, but it's that nice black look, and of course it is designed to be used with an impact. Well, there you go. That again is the 12-piece 3/8 drive pinless universal long impact extension socket set in metric. That sure is a mouthful, but that is really an awesome tool. Now, one thing that Capri did mention is that they are also going to offer these for sale individually. So for example, if there's only 1 or 2 sizes or a few sizes that you would like to use, you can buy these individually from Capri Tools. I'll make sure to get links in the description, but just wanted to say thanks to Capri for sending these to me. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, as I mentioned, I'll get a link where you can pick up this set or each one of these individually as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.